In this video, we're going to cover how to replace the probe tips in an Access DH2 prober. We'll start by using the Replace Probe Tips button in the toolbar. When you click this button, you'll get a message to let you know that you need to remove any boards or plates that might be sitting in the prober that may obstruct the probes when they come down. The probe heads will come forward, and then the probes will lower down. This gives you access to the screws that you need. At this point, you can now go ahead and replace the probe tips as needed. To replace a probe plate, simply remove the screw that goes into the front of the probe holder. Once the screw is removed, you simply need to pull down on the probe plate to remove it. You may need a small screwdriver to pry this probe plate downward a little bit before you can pull it out all the way. To reinstall the probe plate, simply insert it into the probe holder, align the holes between the holder and the probe plate, and then reinsert the screw and tighten it down. To remove and replace the probe holder, there are two screws that attach it to the Z-axis shaft of the prober. Remove the front screw, and then remove the rear screw. Once the screws are removed, gently pull down on the probe holder to expose the SMA connector. Unscrew the SMA connector, and then you've removed the probe holder. To install the new probe holder, simply reverse the steps. In this case, we'll be installing a 4-wire measurement probe holder and plate. Attach the SMA connector to the top of the probe holder, and then reinsert and install the screws that attach it to the Z-axis shaft. You may find it easier to start with the one in front first. And then align the probe holder to the Z-axis shaft. Now you can easily install and tighten the rear screw. Once that's complete, go ahead and click OK, and the heads will return to their home positions. When replacing the probe holders or the probe plates, make sure that you perform an offset before running any tests. For more information, you can always contact Huntron Technical Support by telephone or email. And be sure to check out the other videos available on the Huntron YouTube channel. As always, thank you for watching.